Hey Toronto, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber, serving you since 2006. Your reliable source for plumbing and drain services in downtown Toronto. Want fast, friendly, and reliable service in downtown Toronto for things like clogged drains, clogged toilets, hot water tank replacements, or sump pump installations? Then call John the Plumber. All of our plumbers in Toronto are licensed, insured, and most importantly, friendly. All of our work is backed by our industry-leading 2-year warranty. From drain cleaning, sump pump installations to hose bib replacements, it's all covered by our warranty. Need sewer repair? We specialize in sewer repairs and replacements in Toronto's downtown core. Need new faucets or valves? We have top quality plumbing fixtures that are built to last. Need leaks repaired or pipes cleaned? Our team is equipped to handle any stubborn blockage or leak repair. Need emergency plumbing services in downtown Toronto for your home or business? Our team of skilled and professional plumbers are on standby, waiting to provide you with any solution to your plumbing problem, day or night, Monday to Sunday. Call us today or book online and save $20 on your booking. Returning customer, enjoy 10% off your bill thanks to our loyalty program. Want a quote? We'll provide you with a detailed, transparent, and fair quote for the job at hand. If you choose us for the job, we'll waive the quote fee. Concerned about cost? John the Plumber offers competitive pricing and detailed quotes, plus easy financing options with Finance It. Enjoy soft, non-invasive credit checks and flexible payment plans, all without hidden penalties. With John the Plumber, you're choosing a trusted local plumbing expert committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Join thousands of customers already experiencing peace of mind and exceptional customer service. Valerie said, "My experience with John the Plumber was excellent start to finish. Communication before and after the work completed was excellent." Michael said, "Fast, clean, and efficient. These guys knew what they were doing and got the job done. Highly recommend." Helen said, "They handled my bathtub problem. They are truly an expert and explained to me what the problem was. I am happy with their service." Visit us online or call today to schedule your quote or consultation from our team of friendly and reliable professionals.